Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I really hope कि आप सब safe हैं, घर पे हैं. Please अभी भी I know lockdown खुल गया है but बाहर मत निकलो if it's not needed. So today's video is gonna be liked by a lot of people because I know अभी situation कैसा है and everybody is like you should shop from Indian sellers और जो भी छोटे हमारे small businesses है we should support them. So a few days back I received a comment on my Instagram and a few DMs also saying ki why are you still shopping from Shein and why don't you promote Indian brands and all. So I won't say that I wasn't offended. I was, because अगर मेरे पेज को ध्यान से देखोगे तो you will know that I do work with Indian brands also. But Shein is something that Shein is a brand that is really close to my heart, ठीक है? And it's not because कि वो Chinese company है so I should leave it. I really like their stuff. They are always on trend, always, and the stuff is like pretty reasonable. So these are a few reasons that I really like Shein and बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए उसको छोड़ना. And with everything going on, I really believe that we should support our Indian sellers and Indian websites, Indian stores and whatever that you can do. So I've made like a list of 5 brands / websites / Instagram stores that I really like personally and are Indian. So I think you will like this video too. And so आगे से मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, and this is just my opinion. I am really not forcing this on anyone. I personally don't think that I'm gonna stop shopping from Shein, but earlier I used to shop everything from Shein. Suppose I'm spending 10 rupees in a month, तो मैं वो सारे Shein पे spend करती थी. I'll make sure that I keep a balance. So if I have to buy anything, I'll make sure that जो मेरे 5 rupees है वो मैं किसी Indian seller को दे रही हूँ, or maybe more, and 5 I'm giving to a brand or a website which is not Indian. So yeah, that's what I am gonna do from my side to keep a balance and support our Indian sellers. बहुत सारे disclaimers दे दिया मैंने इस video में. Now we should go to the main video and check the list. Okay, first brand that I want to talk about is Silly People. The website is sillypeople.co. I think I'll mention it on the screen and in the description box below. This is the top that from there. I really love this top. I mean, if you're looking for very comfortable summer clothes which are breathable, जो कि तुम्हें लगे कि पहन के मैंने पहने ही नहीं हुए क्योंकि वो इतने comfortable है, तो just go for Silly People because I think their stuff is very comfortable, like बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable. So मुझे personally floral print बहुत पसंद है, तो I really like their stuff. Okay, next website / store that I want to talk about is Peachtree. So I hope कि काफ़ी लोगों ने सुना होगा. I also did a video with them. As a variety of huge variety of ethnic wear, that too in like a very reasonable price. I mean, very reasonable. I'm gonna attach a few pictures here. Also, I'm gonna attach the link of the video that I did with them a few months back. So आप लोग वो पूरा shopping haul भी देख सकते हो क्योंकि all the stuff was great. Like मैंने वहाँ से एक जॉर्जेट में साड़ी ली थी which was I think under 900 or maybe 1000 rupees, and that sari looks amazing because it's very beautiful. Next that I want to talk about is Raisin Global. मेरे को नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कोई brand है, but a few days back they reached out to me is after corona only that they have launched masks, also cotton masks which are really comfortable, breathable. So I was like, yeah, let's go collaborate, and they sent me a few stuff. They also sent me this kurti right here that you can see. I can't tell you how much I like the fit, especially of the shrug that I'm wearing, because it's so great and you can tell by touching the fabric that the material is really nice and totally worth the price. They are a little on the expensive side than the usual like if you compare it to Peachtree, because I think that's like a mass production wala website and this is a label, so obviously इतना difference तो होता ही है. But yeah, I really like their stuff. बहुत ही elegant pieces हैं इनके पास, so if you are looking for really elegant pieces in ethnic, then you can definitely check out Raisin Global. Next that I want to talk about is Limeroad. You guys know I have worked with Limeroad like continuously for a year. अभी मेरा वो काम जा चुका है because of corona. But yeah, Limeroad का ethnic सबको I think almost सबको पता होगा कि Limeroad is really popular for its ethnic wear क्योंकि वो बहुत सस्ता मिल जाता है and like जो भी तुम्हें ले रहे हो ना वो worth होता है. So there is this brand which makes amazing kurti sets and it's available on Limeroad. I'm gonna mention its name here. मैं completely भूल चुकी हूँ, but उनके जो white कुर्ताज है and white कुर्ता सेट है ना वो इतने ज़्यादा सुंदर है. I can't tell you, मुझे वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Limeroad is something that you can shop from for your ethnic wear. Last but not the least, I have Flipkart. Flipkart बहुत ही popular app है, सबको पता है. And if you don't know, Myntra भी उसके अंडर आता है. Like Flipkart is the parent company of Myntra. तो yeah, these two, Myntra का जो user interface है, I really like that. Like मुझे Myntra से shopping करने में बहुत मज़े आते हैं. But Flipkart मैं इसलिए अभी mention कर रही हूँ because it has some like really great discounts on it, and I've recently worked with them, so I know what kind of pieces that they have, and in like really cheap prices. So they have this brand called Tokyo Talkies. तो उसके western wear like tops and all, and you know basic jeans and all you will get in a very like under 500 or under 1000 rupees, which is great. So yeah, that was it from my side. Also let me know if I should make a skincare / makeup video of Indian brands that we should support. Yeah, I like, let me know in the comment section below if I should make that like part 2 of similar video. Make sure that you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and next haul Shein haul होने वाला है. मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ because I have got some amazing stuff, you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. You can comment anything. Let's chat in comments. Let me know about your views. Have you like completely stopped shopping from a non-Indian website? I mean, what are your views about it? And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.